if you're experiencing connection errors in Overwatch 2. There are several steps you can take to improve your connection and reduce lag. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection and ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online games. Freeing up your bandwidth can help improve your connection to Overwatch 2. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and provide a better gaming experience by reducing latency and packet loss. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a faster, more reliable DNS server. You can use public DNS servers like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1 to potentially improve connection speeds. Step 5. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game settings to reduce the load on your system and improve performance. This can help with connection stability, especially if your hardware is struggling to keep up with the game's demands. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce connection errors and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Overwatch 2. Happy gaming!